Okay, and then you turn left and right. Okay, good. There you go. Now we're up. Open out. Open out. All right, you're driving now. Okay, you take your hand up now. Okay. Okay. Two hands on the wheel. Let's go left. Turn this way. Okay. Turn a little harder. A little more. There you go. Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? You don't know. Well, if you don't know where you want to go, we're just going to wander a little bit. Wander around, see what's doing? You want to go this way? All right, that sounds good. Oh, okay, here we go. We'll go this way now. Keep turning hard. We don't want to get too close to the shore. Keep going. Keep going. Hold on. Hold it this way. Okay, now we're ready to go. All right, let's stop for a second. Let's let that boat go. All right. All right, here we go. All right. Follow him. I follow him.